right harness number that goes from square plug on a firewall. You got one pigtail going to binary switches and cycling switch, I believe, and the loops over. You got positive terminal right there going over. You got the plug for a wiper motor, the right one, and then goes down with the rest of the things, and it looks like this: binary and cycling square thing to the firewall. You may need to repin stuff, but the right part number is A06484140000. So that's cycling, binary, positive. What is it? City horn.
Yep.
I think this is washer fluid, and I don't know really on some of these ones. I forgot this one was for what, but it looks right. You got a round plug with 6-7 pins. Okay, and that should match connecting to the other one that we found used. I'm really trying to save the part numbers. What was the part number? No, that's not the one. What was the part number? Oh yeah. So this may be the part number, I believe. So the part number is A. It's hard to see for you, but we can see. A is Apple 06-23387-000. So this came off the truck. Was a glider Coronado. Use the VIN number of the truck. So it's a glider Coronado. I got ECM power supply, stuff coming out. I got round plug one here. This one got only 5 wires, but doesn't matter. And I got most of the stuff is full here, so you may need to repin some of this stuff, but it's not for everyone. Anyway, it may help someone. So